If you want to enable or disable Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, you can, for example, open Settings. Now on the left side, we can now switch to Connected Devices, and then you should be able to choose Quick Share. And finally, in here we have who can share with you. So in this case, if you want to disable Quick Share, you want to set no one. On the other hand, if you want to use Quick Share, then you want to either use contacts only or everyone. And in this case, you can also choose to set it for everyone for 10 minutes only. And if you need more time, then of course we can uncheck this option and press done. And over here we also have allow sharing over internet, where we can read that if it's not possible to share using a direct connection, sharing will continue over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you might want to turn this option on. However, in this case we actually need to use a Samsung account to be able to do that. And there is also the use Wi-Fi only for sharing with contacts, but that is essentially it. Besides that, you can also open the control center or quick settings, and you can find the quick share option in here, so you can tap on it in order to quickly manage if you want to enable or disable quick share. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.